Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on that viewer questions. Okay. So they are given this input and I need to convert this output in this format. I need to convert it. Okay. When we see this input, now see here, this one it is present with the comma separated values. Now we need to convert into that comma separated values into the multiple rows. We need to convert it. Now for that, I just written that create table statement as well as insert table. Okay. And I also give one in the description the statement and all. Please check it and practice this queries. Okay. Now select the statement and run it. Now see here the values it is inserted in the tables, that is the table it is created and the values it is inserted, as well as we get the retrieve the table also. Now we can write the query part. Here we are using that regular expression substring. In the last session only, we discussed more on how the regular expression substring it is worked everything. Today we are going to write the statement directly. Okay. Now select regular expression substring. First we need to take num. Second we need to take the pattern card comma. Okay. Now this pattern it is indicating that the matches any character that not enclosed with this one. And third we can take over the position. Okay, that is starting one. At last we need to take that level here. You can get to know that why we are taking that level. And from where we are taking means from our table. Table it is tr. And we need to take that connect by level, connect by class, we need to take it. Because with the help of this connect by classes, we can create the rows. Okay. Here I am taking the length. Here length of our column. First we want to take the length with the help of all the character present in the columns. And after that we need to take the length without having the commas. Okay. Here I am using that one string function that is called the replace one. Replace of num comma. Which one I need to remove means I need to remove this comma with just I am not giving that replace value. Okay, so if I present like this means just it will be removed from the column. That is comma it is removed from the columns. Now close the statement. Okay, and execute this one. Now see here we get the result, but it is not actual result set. Okay, I already said that why we are adding +1 and all in the last session only. Okay, and also we can see that at last here I am adding the +1 here, but the actual output it is not presented like that. Okay, it is going on into the loop statement, it is going on. So we need to take the prior. Okay, prior and expression. Here my expression it is num, that is expression in the sense column, num equal to num. Okay, and after that we need to take the prior sys GUID. GUID it is nothing but global unique identifier. Okay, we need to take it. This one it is always it is not null. Okay, now select the statement and run it. Now we can get that actual result set what we get in that in the comment sections. Okay, so the values whatever it is in the commas it is separated into the multiple rows. Okay, now see here this is my length of the num. Okay, when we are taking the length of the num means here we are getting that 135. Okay, for the each of the rows we are getting that 135. Okay, and when we are taking the replace of num comma, here what we are replacing means for comma just we are not replacing with any characters, so it will remove the then comma in this column. Okay, then we can get the output for this statement 1 2 3 we are getting. subtract from this one, that is length of num minus length of replace of num. For the first row we can get the result, it is 0. Okay, and second row we can get that it is 1. Okay, and the third row we can get that 5 minus 3 equal to 2 we can get it. Okay, if we add the plus 1 for that each of the rows, we can get the result, it is 1. And here we can get it 1 plus 1 2 we can get it, and 2 plus 1 3 we can get it. For the first row we can get the result, it is 1. For the second row we can get the result is 1 2 we can get it, and third row we can get it result, it is 1 2 3, like that we can get it. So this is the SQL part. In that upcoming session we will see on that how we can do that mapping, okay, in IICS. Okay, thank you for watching. If this session is really helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, and like it.